National Bank of Ethiopia has announced it has adopted new laws which will ease the business environment in the country. The new laws includes allowing individuals and businesses to use mobile property as collateral in order to take loans from banks. Notably, improvements are being made for fair and healthy banking sector competition. CGTN'S Girum Chala has more.
2.5 decades have passed since the private sector started operating in the banking sector of Ethiopia. So far, Ethiopia's private banks are enjoying all-rounded success. And now, there's more good news. The National Bank of Ethiopia has announced the financial sector law will be much more flexible.
Recently, we have decided to open the financial sector for the involvement of the diaspora and also to make the financial sector much more applicable to all and to also guarantee its overall success. We have adopted a law to make way for citizens to borrow money from banks with a mobile property as collateral.
Also, the insurance sector will enjoy better working environment in the country. They will soon be allowed to provide a micro insurance service in rural areas of Ethiopia.
To also benefit the lower-based insurance sector in Ethiopia, we are working to provide micro-insurance services in rural areas across the country. Also, we are preparing to assure the usage of modern and up-to-date technologies in our financial institutions.
There are close to 20 private and 3 government-owned banks in Ethiopia. Also, about 17 private and 1 government-owned insurance companies operate in the country alongside 35 microfinance institutions. Still, Ethiopia's financial sector has a long way to go.
Despite the fact that our banks and insurance are growing every year compared to other countries, we deliver a service that lags behind on so many areas and criteria. We need to change that and fast.
Although Ethiopia has announced reform for its financial sector, it will be a long time before one can see the full opening up of the sector for foreign investors. The lucrative banking and insurance sectors of Ethiopia will only be enjoyed by locals for any foreseeable future. Girum Chala, CGTN, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.